Good morning, guys. How are you guys doing today? I hope you're having a really amazing day so far. It's a start to 2018. Today's January the 1st of 2018. So make sure you set your goals for 2018. You guys start out with a positive mindset and let's achieve those goals that you guys have for 2018. I already set my goals for this year and I'm gonna try my hardest and my best to accomplish those goals. So you should do the same thing. Write down some goals or set some goals and accomplish them, you know. It is right early in the morning right now. I'm vlogging right here in my kitchen because in my room my brother's snoring fucking loud and I have really good lighting here. So yeah guys, starting the vlog early today. 2018, told you, coming strong. So I'm grinding on this YouTube shit. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you go watch my previous video if you haven't, go watch it. The link is going to be in the description down below. The very first link, click it and I'll take you to my previous video. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, started on my truck right now. I'm about to head over to Herbalife Shake. You know, in the mornings I always start off by going and get a healthy shake to start my morning off. So I'm about to head over there right now. Just started on my truck. I'm waiting for my mom because she's gonna go with me.
2 hours later.
And your camps? No vlog today?
Huh?
Are you?
What?
No vlog?
Vlog?
No vlogging?
What are you gonna do?
Chill.
Chill?
We're gonna sit down for a sit down video.
Sit down.
We're gonna go see
Shout
Nation
out
shit.
vlogs.
Shout out to that motherfucker. He vlogs.
Did you ever put him in?
Nah, no. I got a video exposing him, so coming soon. Exposing to vlogs. So stay tuned for that, you guys. Cause that motherfucker, he don't like his fans. If you don't like him, I got proofs. This bitch tried to fucking prank my fucking dick ass.
Dick ass. You're dick ass. You probably sound dick ass.
Trying to fuck up my camera, dude.
Fuck you.
Who's fucking shit up? Shout out to Angel Camps. Zoo Camps.
Oh! Fucking chew, I'm gonna get you now.
Oh, fucked up! That's fucked, look! The fuck show your video.
Oh, shit. That shit fucking
That's what you get for trying to steal from me. That's fucked up.
Oh,
Give my fucking water.
dude.
Thief, caught on camera.
Damn!
Thief, caught on camera.
Oh, that shit hurt.
They the bitch from yesterday?
Trying to steal my shit.
Fresh.
Some fucking, no.
You need some water.
Oh, shit, no, I'm too back to fuck up.
Alright guys, chilling here at Angel's Campbell's house. You know, Angel's gaming. Oh shit, my bad. My bad. Angel Vlogs, make sure you guys subscribe. 2018 coming strong. He's gonna hit how much? 1 million?
Hey.
1 million?
1 million. 1 million.
1 million 2018. So go subscribe.
2018.
Join the fam. Best family on YouTube. And go. I'm gonna link his number. Everybody go call him. Oh. So yeah guys, we're about to head over. We're gonna take go back here right now. We're gonna go to Torrance, going by my house because I don't want to drive all the way to Covina. Oh wait, where's those? Cerritos. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed so far. What this dumbass said?
I think that's on me, man.
I think it said that whoever shops at Burger King is broke. That's why you bought that shit, didn't you? You're fucking broke.
You did.
You did say that, huh?
You did, but you bought that then. You bought that at
Didn't he say that shit?
I bought mine at Macy's.
Stupid.
I did!
Yeah, and the other one you had?
I don't have another one. That's how it ripped.
Oh, that's stupid.
That's how it ripped.
There's a cheap bit right here. There's a cheap ass bit.
Fuck you, I'll show you, nigga.
Cheap ass bit. Damn. So it's like a pretty dope ass weather. It's not even that hot, that cold. It's fresh. This is dope ass truck right here. Look at the caddy. Caddy or this? Caddy or this? Caddy or this? Comment down below. Alright guys, just made it over to Burlington Coat Factory here in Torrance. You know, we gotta drive all the way over here from Sauget. So we're gonna go and see right now if they have some of these fucking sweater kind of coat shits, because I want to cop one. So hopefully they have some, because the Burlington we went to last time, the one in where's the other one at? It's Cerritos Mall. They have right now. So hopefully they have some here, because I really want one of those. And yeah, you guys. So see you guys when I'm inside. I thought this Burlington was fucking big. This really nice. It looks big from the outside, but it's looking pretty small. So we're gonna see the house right now, like these. But I want to look for the perfect one.
One right here.
Angel Vlogs behind the scenes. Angel Vlogs. He just caught the rollie. Make sure you go watch his vlog tomorrow.
Thankful.
Look at these motherfuckers over there. Trying on the coats, the fits. This is gonna look stupid. What the fuck is that, bro? Come on. What is that, bro? Boy, what are those shoes? This looks fresh.
I'm about to get my damn money.
Alright guys, so we're leaving Burlington now. I'm not sure what we're gonna do after this. We're probably gonna go ahead and get something to eat, or I don't know right now. But I hope you enjoyed the little time lapse I did for you guys. I don't know where I'm gonna put it in the video, but I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, first day of the year going pretty good. We tried to go to some places, but we couldn't find anything. Everything is fucking closed right now.
2 hours later.
Alright guys, we're about to pop some fireworks right now, because yesterday on New Year's Eve or New Year's, we didn't have a chance to pop any of the fireworks because we forgot them at my brother's house or at my house, and we didn't bring them over here to our cousin's house. So we're gonna pop them right now. It's still technically New Year's because it's first of January. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of them. We're gonna try to pop it right now. It's a little sketched, but this is what we're working with today. Chameleons. You can hear it, see them like that? All that. So
No one wants to see it. Hurry up. Light it, hurry up.
Wait, let me put in my stamps. I'll light it.
this motherfucker wants to light them up, so.
You got
Nah, just do it.
we got a bucket.
Alright guys, who's gonna light the other one? The first one wasn't that loud, but a lot of car alarms went on. So let's see about this one. Guys, we're in the alley right now, and it's fucking sketchy here.
Who wants to light this one?
It's fucking sketchy in the alley. Look at that. Look at this, bro. Fuck no, I don't fuck with this. Dang, that shit was loud. That was fucking loud. Fool, we can't get shot here?
No, nigga. I'm a bit scared, bro. Fucking Jonah. What is Jonah fucking closing? Fucking
Are you scared as fool?
Let's bring it, bring
Pussy, bro.
Stop being real.
I'm scared. Hey, you motherfucker. Catch that shit. How do you close that shit?
Close?
I think. It's closed. Huh? We got stupid, man. Cops. Thank God we made it from there alive, you know? I didn't think I was gonna come out alive from the alley. Because it's sketch. It was sketch in the alley, you guys. Alright guys, so I think the neighbor just called the cops right now. Because I think he got pretty butthurt. Because the strict alarm started going on. And that's dumb, you know? So right now the cops are gonna get here in a little bit. I'm not tripping because, you know, I'm a savage. I'm a savage. That's all I'm gonna tell them. And they're gonna let me go because I'm the G and he's a bitch. So I'm not tripping, you guys. I'll show you guys a little bit right now when the cop gets here. I'm gonna see if I can vlog it, or I'm gonna get someone to vlog it for me, so I can show you guys that footage because it's stupid. Alright guys, I'm back in my house. I'm back from Angel's house here now. I just got home a little while ago. I'm about to get on PS4, play some World War II, you know. If you want to play with me, add me, you know, right here, PSN, on DJ07 Caddy, you know, DJ07 Caddy. If not, leave your name in the comments down below, and I'll make sure to add you guys so we can play some GTA, 2K, or World War II, any game, FIFA. You put it down in the comments down below, and I'll play with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Join the family, you guys. It's never too late. One day we're going to be the strongest family on YouTube. I guarantee you guys. So make sure you join the family right now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay tuned for my next video. Turn on those post notifications so you guys will never miss it. And if you haven't watched my previous video, make sure you go watch it right now. It's going to be in the link, the first link in the description down below. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.